Hello everybody, Professor Halsey here and welcome to Module 2 in CEIS106, Introduction to Operating Systems. This week in Module 2, we begin to look at our introduction to Linux. If you want, you can collapse Module 1, that way you don't have to scroll as far to get to Module 2. And you see it's our introduction to Linux. This week we have one graded discussion topic for 15 points. We have 3 knowledge checks. You'll see check 1, 2, 3, or 30 points each. And you'll see down here we have 3 graded activities this week as well. We'll be exploring Fedora with a GUI app. Then we'll be learning how to get information on commands on the command line and using those commands, and then viewing command history. So those will be some fun activities for us to get introduced to Linux this week. If you have any questions, make sure and join the live session. The live session is Wednesday night at 8 p.m. All right. And if you have any questions or need any assistance with the assignments, come to the very top of modules and you will see the huddle hours for all the professors. So look forward to seeing you in the discussions this week and the live sessions. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much. Have a great week.